In this video, I'm going to show you how to change NordVPN location. So if you're using NordVPN and you press over here where it says secure my connection, it is going to go ahead and automatically connect you to a location that is going to be the fastest for you. Now, even though this is a good option, if you want to actually go to a particular country, for example, whether you're looking to get specific features from that country, what you want to do is you want to head over to NordVPN, then you just want to go to the main panel like so. Obviously, you will need to be signed into your NordVPN account. That goes without saying, but you just want to go ahead and press on these three dots. And then you're going to see this option that says switch location. And from here, you're able to go ahead and change it to different countries over here. So obviously things are going to depend on what tier of NordVPN you have. So I do have like one of the more basic ones. So I'm able to go ahead and select between all these different countries right over here. So let's say we want to go somewhere in Brazil. That is certainly something we're able to go ahead and do. And then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and change the location. At any point in time, we can go ahead and switch the location one more time. So you can also get like a dedicated IP and stuff like that. But that is basically how you're able to go ahead and do it. And at any point in time, you can pause the connection for 15 minutes, 30, an hour, or you can completely disconnect it. So it's 100% up to you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.